Hello, this is Yogesh from WOODTECH Consultant Private Limited. Today I am going to introduce a new machine. This is basically a drilling machine which is going to be five-side drilling. I am going to explain you the different concept of this machine. You can just look into this. We have this. This is a drill head which has got 18 drill heads in it, and this is the router head which has 5 sides. This is mainly a 5-side drilling machine which has got even vacuum blowers in it. You can just look here, it has got blowers for easy floating movement of your workpiece. These are the side aligners for measuring of your width of the panel, and this is the clamp. These are the clamps for clamping purpose. Normally this has got the speed of the clamp are moving in at 100 meter per minute. Then this drill head got Z-axis has got 50 meter per minute, and Y-axis has got 90 meter per minute. This is 90 meter per minute. And you can just look into the software which has got very easy software here. Edit option is there where you can directly edit the files, or you can do the program over here. Manual options are there. You can just look at these are the 10 vertical drill bits, and we have 8 horizontal drill bits over here. This is the auto page which is normally used to run the file, and you can also load different kinds of files here. I am going to show you. These are the file loaders. These are the different concept of files which can be loaded into this machine. Okay, you can also do program here. We have a simple edit option over here: circle or rectangle. These programs are made very easily. If you are comfortable with X and Y coordinates, this is very easy to make a program. You can also load the pre-designed program directly from your Python or any other software which you are using from your side. Okay, I will just show you demo how it will work. We have got drill in the 5 sides, routing in the top side. This complete process has taken us only, I am going to show you the processing time of this, or you can see it took only 47 seconds to complete a process. This is the new launched Rapid Drill-510 5 sides. If you need more information, contact us or visit our live demo center, Bangalore. Thank you.